How to log in Zenless Zone Zero. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today we are going to be learning how you can log in and start playing Zenless Zone Zero. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Zenless Zone Zero application, whether you are using an Android or iOS device. Once you're inside the game homepage, which looks like this, go ahead and tap on the server option and choose the server you want to go on with. After making the selection, tap the login button and you'll be taken to this pop-up. If you don't have an account yet for Zenless Zone Zero, you'll need to go ahead and tap on the Register Now button and follow through the instructions. If you don't have an account yet for Hoyoverse, then you need to create one in order to get access to your Zenless Zone Zero game and start playing. If you already have an account, go ahead and tap on the username or email option at the top and write down your credentials. Enter your email associated with your Hoyoverse account and head over to the password field and type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, you can tap the Forgot Password link and get help resetting your password. Finally, after filling in your credentials, click Log In, and then you need to go through the security verification. Go open up your email inbox and you'll receive an email from Hoyoverse. Go and open it up and you'll receive a 6-digit verification code. Type it down exactly as it appears and agree to all the conditions and terms on this page and click Accept. Now you'll be able to sign in to your Zenless Zone Zero account. The game will require you to download some details and resources. Go ahead and choose whether you'd like to download the full version or the base resources and tap the download option at the bottom. Now it'll take a while for the resources to be downloaded. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for the process to complete faster. Once it is done, you'll be able to start playing the game. Remember, always use the same login method to avoid creating a new account accidentally. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to log into Zenless Zone Zero and start your journey. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.